Are you ever on the hunt for the perfect gift for the Dark Lord? Why not consider decorating Voldemort's lair with this incredible tapestry? It might just earn you some favor, maybe even spare your life, thanks to such a luxurious offering. This artificial grass is simple to install and requires very little maintenance. At the same time, it provides a delightful sense of comfort and a connection with nature. Can you imagine how many hours the helicopter pilot has dedicated to training to achieve such an impressive level of precision? Meanwhile, I'm still struggling to master flying a plane in Battlefield. There are no shortcuts or illusions, only effective teamwork that guarantees an efficient and speedy cooking process. This man has finally figured out how to work smarter, not harder. Maybe we should take a lesson from his approach too. Did you know you can transform old pipes and cement into stunning loft-style decorations for your home? Have you ever wondered how to create stunning Greek-style columns? The good news is, you don't need a lot of marble. With just bricks, cement, and some solid DIY skills, you can make your own beautiful columns. With just a few tiles and a basic understanding of geometry, you can craft a stunning ceiling that creates an incredible 3D effect. The results will be nothing short of amazing. The professionalism and courage of these builders truly deserve our admiration and respect. They are akin to heroes, facing off against monumental industrial giants. Just make sure you don't get stuck inside the chimney while building it. Luckily, this man is a true master of his craft. Imagine a floor made of coins. Well, if you ever run out of money, you know exactly where to find a few pennies for your favorite snack. Let's be real. Who needs those fancy gadgets when you've got a manual forklift and a friend to help out? Has this guy spent too many hours playing Hail Divers? Now he wants to burn the house down? Actually, he just heats the frozen roof to make it easier to dismantle. See how a few hours of effort and a lot of skill can transform a dull gray wall into a true masterpiece. We don't rely on lifts or cranes, my friend. We believe only in outstanding teamwork. POV perspective, where you decide to steal building techniques from ants and find that it surprisingly works. This tool can weld studs and steel in seconds using the unique arc stud welding technique. Plus, it looks like shooting from a blaster, making the process even cooler. It seems like we've found the world's most relaxing and satisfying job. You have just 2 old stumps and a pile of concrete bags. What will you do with all this stuff? How about transforming it into a fantasy pond for recreation? Installing a wiring system doesn't have to be a long or exhausting task, especially after completing the Cyrus Salate training program. Constructing this incredible spherical building is actually simpler than putting together a Lego set, thanks to the advanced smart building technology. It's almost like magic. Whoever said building roads couldn't be fun? I bet this leveling process is even more thrilling than windsurfing. This man wraps the concrete pillar with plastic, not merely for fun or relaxation. This method helps retain moisture, enhances the curing process, and ensures the durability of the newly constructed structure. That's what I call an ideal team-building method, a fantastic way to merge productivity with fitness. Crafting large bowls with this tool is extremely easy. But take a look at the astonishing flower pots you can create with it. Sometimes the simplest ideas are the best ones.